Manifesting an appearance change has literally never been easier. Let me tell you exactly how to do this to manifest your desired appearance in 3 days. But before we get into it, you are more than welcome to subscribe. On this channel I talk about all things law of assumption, so if that sounds good to you, I would love to have you here. You are also more than welcome to enroll in any of the courses that I offer, including the Manifest Your SP course and the Perfect Self-Concept course. Book one-on-one coaching with me or join collective coaching. All of the information will be in the description box down below. There will be links. You can click on them to join or enroll, or you can simply just go on ritakaminski.com to see everything that I offer. I intend for this video to change your absolute life. Let's get into it. Listen, I want you to really go within, close your eyes and ask yourself, what do I want to change about my glow up? I want you to write it down. Next, I want you to pick one affirmation and one affirmation only that encapsulates that. You can go on my most viewed video on my channel, which is my glow up subliminal, and click on the affirmations in the description box and choose any one of those, because they can be umbrella affirmations. I understand maybe you want to manifest multiple things or you want to manifest a specific thing. It doesn't matter, it's all in there. Or if an affirmation pops up in your mind, literally just use the one that excites you the most, that is the easiest for you to constantly repeat. Because what I want you to do is to consistently robotically affirm just one thing over and over again when you're not using your mind for anything else. For example, I'm not robotically affirming now because I'm talking. I'm using my mind for you to get the information, to understand. I'm trying to get a message across. However, when I'm getting ready or when I'm cooking, when I'm doing anything other than requires my mental strength, my mental ability to interact with people, the world around me, or whatever, in a way where it challenges my mental capacity, in a way where I'm interacting with my mind and the world around me, I'm not going to robotically affirm. However, when I'm doing something that's on autopilot, that I'm already ready, that I already have been doing for years, or something that is boring, something that does not stimulate my mind, I'm going to robotically affirm, and I'm going to robotically affirm one thing and one thing only. I don't want you to affirm for any other topic. If you have picked manifesting a glow up, manifest that. If you want to manifest something like an umbrella affirmation that targets everything, do that. To be honest, if I were you, I would be manifesting not like I don't know how you look like, but if I was manifesting a glow up, I would be manifesting an all-rounder. I would be manifesting everything, right? I wouldn't be just manifesting weight loss or skin or whatever. Like, I know that I'm perfect, so I don't need to, but like, if I were to, I would affirm for something that is like an umbrella term that encapsulates everything about me. So everything about me looks perfect. I am absolutely perfect in every single way. I have had the ultimate glow up. But the thing is that you have to be thinking in a way where it's natural for you. Because although the content of what you're saying isn't natural, is it a natural way of you speaking though? Like, if you were to think this, if you were to actually have it, how would you think about it? You wouldn't be thinking, my breasts are plump and high. You'd be like, my tits are perky. Or like, however you think, right? So you have to get an affirmation that matches your style of not even talking, but just of thinking. Because everyone thinks in a different way. It's not about your geography. It's not about who you are as a like person, or like a stereotypical way of thinking about you. It's how do you actually think? Are you thinking in a way where you're saying, I'm the baddest bitch, right? And that to you means you've had the most ultimate glow up. Like, for me, it would be, I'm absolutely perfect in every way. That would be my affirmation. That would hype me up. That is how I would be thinking anyways, like regardless of me manifesting it consciously, right? So pick one affirmation that sounds natural to you, that replicates what you would be thinking anyways naturally. The core keyword is naturally. And then the next core keyword is one affirmation only. The next keyword is consistently. You are repeating it as much as possible throughout the day. And I'm telling you, the results will be so motherfucking real. You do not have to do anything else. You do not have to overcomplicate it. The key is for you is to consistently saturate your mind with robotically affirming whatever it is that you picked. And if you need extra help, that affirmation list in my subliminal glow up video has literally pages upon pages of like all of the best things that you could ever need to do with your manifesting, to do with your glow ups. So just pick one and consistently repeat it. I'm telling you, in 3 days max, you will get the best glow up of your fucking life. That will stick, that will stay. Consistently affirm as much as possible throughout the day. You will saturate your mind enough. Your 3D will have no choice but to replicate what it is that is going on in your mind. I love you all so much. I hope you have an amazing week. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Again, don't forget to subscribe and give this video a like because I know you loved it, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye everyone.